Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your bubble fish lamp. First, select a stable, flat surface for your lamp, ensuring it is away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Position it near a power outlet for convenient access. Remember to leave at least 6 inches of clearance around the lamp to allow for proper air circulation. This initial placement is crucial for both safety and optimal performance of your new decorative piece. Next, it's time to fill your lamp. Carefully pour distilled water into the lamp, stopping precisely at the marked fill line. To keep your water clear and prevent unwanted growth, add just 1 or 2 drops of an anti-algae solution. Be careful not to overfill the lamp, as this can lead to spills and potentially damage the internal components. Proper water levels ensure the best bubble action. Now, let's add the fun part, the artificial fish. Gently place the decorative fish into the water, making sure they are not tangled and have plenty of space to move freely with the bubbles. Once the fish are in place, you can plug your lamp into a standard electrical outlet. Finally, simply flip the power switch to turn it on and watch your new bubble fish lamp come to life with vibrant colors and soothing motion. To keep your bubble fish lamp looking its best, regular maintenance is key. Gently wipe the lamp's exterior with a soft, damp cloth to remove any dust or smudges. For optimal clarity, plan to change the water every 3 to 6 months. Also, periodically check the air pump and light bulb to ensure they are functioning correctly, guaranteeing continuous enjoyment of your beautiful, mesmerizing display for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.